गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। हम लोग शुरू करते हैं अपनी एजुकेशनल क्लासेस की पहली क्लास से। आज कुछ बच्चों की प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी। आज हम सबसे पहले जो प्रॉब्लम्स ले रहे हैं वो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं रिगार्डिंग हार्मोनल कंट्रोल इन प्लांट्स, दैट वी मे से द प्लांट हार्मोन्स। जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं, एज यू ऑल नो दैट there are some type of hormones which are present in plants which are responsible for any kind of movement, motion, response. In whole, we may say that each and every kind of control and coordination case of plants, hormones are responsible. Most major, there are 5 categories of hormones are there. Number 1, it is auxin. Number 2, these are gibberellin. Number 3, these are cytokinin. Number 4, these are ethylene. Actually, it is ethylene. And number 5, it is abscisic acid. Now, if we will start about them one by one. Auxin is the hormone whose specifications are that it is growth promoter. It is growth promoter. It promotes some specific characteristic features such as cell enlargement. What is cell enlargement? When the cell divides, they are smaller in size. It is a mother cell, and if daughter cells are like this much size, then this cell needs to be in the shape of its mother cell. This is how it increases size. Auxin is the plant hormone which is responsible for increasement of this size, which is known as cell enlargement. It is also responsible for cell differentiation. What is cell differentiation? If we talk about cell differentiation, we have discussed in class 9 in chapter tissue that when one meristematic cell divides, it forms two different kind of cell. Out of them, one cell gets converted into any specific kind of cell. If we take an example that it gets converted into the form of a xylem vessel cell, then from normal cell it gets converted in the form of xylem vessel. This process of conversion of the normal cell in a specific kind of cell is known as cell differentiation. It is promoted by auxins. Some more characteristic features of auxin are that they promote the formation of stem. Stem formation is being promoted by the auxin. Auxin is actually the plant hormone which move away from sunlight, and it move away from touch. It is the specific feature of the auxin, due to which it is responsible for tropic movements of the plants or tropes. Okay, if we talk about the gibberellins, Zebrelin is also a growth promoter hormone, that means it promote the growth, but in most of the cases it works in presence of auxin. That means it is growth promoter, but and it perform most of the functions, such as it is responsible for cell enlargement or elongation, it is responsible for differentiation of cells, it promote growth of stem and fruits. All these characteristic features are being performed by the zebrelin, but in presence of auxin. Next hormone is cytokinin. Cytokinin is the hormone, it is also a growth promoter, but it promotes the cell division. Cell division is the process of formation of two or more than two cells from one parent cell, that is cell division. Cell division is being performed by cell division is being promoted by cytokinin. Two another characteristic features or special features are there for cytokinin, that it breaks seed dormancy. It breaks seed dormancy. What is seed dormancy? Actually, whenever seeds get formed, they do not germinate immediately. They take some time, and the time period at which the seed is inactive but preparing itself for the germination, the state is known as seed dormancy. Cytokinin is the hormone which is responsible to break seed dormancy. That means it promotes cell division and it promotes seed germination. One another characteristic feature of cytokinin is it is responsible, or it promotes opening of stomata. Opening of stomata. Next hormone is ethylene. There are some characteristic features of ethylene. Number one, and very important, it is the only plant hormone which is present in gaseous form. It occurs in gas form. Okay, this hormone is responsible for ripening of fruits. It is responsible for ripening of fruits. I think you all have heard sometimes that खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलता है. That is only because of the ethylene. Ethylene is being produced by the ripened fruits, and it promotes fruit ripening. This is how, if one ripened fruit is there in a basket, then it leads to ripening of all other fruits too. It is also responsible for breaking of seed dormancy. It stimulates formation of a separation layer. We reach to the last hormone. As we have discussed, all these above four hormones are promoters for growth. Abscisic acid is the only plant hormone which inhibits the growth, or we may say it tries to reduce the growth, inhibits the growth. It is responsible for continuation of seed dormancy. That means it promotes seed dormancy. And we have already discussed about seed dormancy. It is the state of inactiveness of the seed. Abscisic acid is also responsible for closing of stomata. Closing of stomata. That's all for we may say for today's plant topic, that was plant hormones. This is the abbreviated introduction for plant hormones. I hope you all enjoy it and are able to understand the things. If not, then text me in the comment box. We will try to solve all of your doubts and your problems. Thank you very much. See you soon.